Okay, welcome everyone to my new video. Now we are going to go through some transistors, but I'm gonna show you how a transistor works as a switch, because transistor is an active electronic component, but really in modern electronics all the transistors are already integrated in some circuits, such as an operation amplifier and so on and so on. So we don't use it for amplifications no more, because it's kind of old technology. You can find transistors in all the equipment, but if you want to project new stuff, new devices, I really don't know if you're going to use a transistor by itself, because already there are a lot of transistors in integrated circuits. Everything is integrated nowadays. So just gonna show you how it works as a switch, nothing else. So I'm gonna show you an NPN transistor. So type in NPN. Okay, now where it is here, and PNP. Yeah, okay. There are two types of transistors. There are NPN and PNP transistors. Okay, now here is the NPN transistor. This middle metal node is called the base. Here, where this is an arrow, shows you that this is called an emitter. And if an emitter shows not towards the transistor but out of the transistor, then it's an NPN. Otherwise, this is an PNP transistor. So this is basically a symbol. Okay, now and here this last remaining metal conductor here is called a collector. Yeah, it's a collector. So when we just put some DC power sources, for example, now when this usually on the NPN we bring current to the collector and to the base, and just let me round this. Now if the voltage is applied here, for example 5 volts, and here we say it's 0 volts, and let me just animate the current. Oh no, not simulation, set animation options. Okay, now when I animate, you will see that there is no current going through the collector or even on the emitter. So you have to bring the positive voltage here for, I don't know, here like 1 volt, no matter, and then you will see when there is a current passing through the base, then the current can go through the collector and through the emitter. The PNP is everything just the opposite. The current goes into the emitter and goes out of the collector, and the base should be grounded, or it should be minus voltage, minus sign. Okay, so for example, let me just take a relay, I don't know, like this one. Let me take one lamp, a resistor, generic one, and let me just show you some application. Okay, now I'm gonna delete this one. Oh, I've always forgot that I have to take one diode for the relay. I already showed that in my previous lectures. So here, for example, have a relay. Okay, it goes here. Let's put this on 5 volts, the component value, so it activates when there is 5 volts. This is Okay, 5 volts. Now let's say that this is on now 0 volts, and now just put a diode uh, in parallel with the relay. Now when I uh, run the program, as you can see, there is no current passing through the relay, so that the metal node here won't shut itself. But when I give a base voltage, I don't know, 1 2 volts, should be not, it shouldn't be very high, then you will see that there that it will connect the metal node over here. Uh, it doesn't run in real time. I should have put a, I don't know, a resistor, but the basic thing is that it will I just wanted to show you how can this act as a switch, how can a transistor act as a switch. For example, let me just, okay, I'm gonna give you another one. Let's say if we have an NPN transistor, rotate it like this. Just make 1 second. Now I'm gonna put a lamp here on the collector, and okay, so I'm gonna connect like this. Also, I need a switch. But I need not a rotation. Just let me find one that switch. CVWST, not this one. No, CVSPST. Yeah, no. This is good. This is I needed this one. So, but I need to rotate it. Okay. Just let me. Just wait a second. I'm gonna finish in a moment. Put a resistor over here. Put a resistor like here. Okay, and I need to connect all this now, and I'm just gonna show you how a transistor can act as a switch. Oh my god, this is really bad. I'm just gonna rotate it. Yeah, okay, it's good. Now wait a second. Okay, and I need a ground now. 2 grounds here and here. Okay. I need a DC power source, and I'm gonna put 12 volts, like so. Now when I run the program, as you can see that there is no current passing through the collector and through the emitter, because the base isn't activated. We need to apply some current in the base so that the current would pass through the collector and to the emitter. Now let me just put the switch here, and now as you can see there is applied current or voltage positive. For an NPN you need to apply positive or a current that goes to the base, and as you can see now the current can go through the lamp and through the emitter. So yeah, that's kind of it. The PNP is just opposite all. I mean literally it's all opposite. So I just show you a transistor as a switch. I don't want to show you how it can be an how can a transistor act as an amplifier, because we already have integrated circuits that does those things for us. So we don't. I'm not gonna show you that how can we act a transistor as an amplifier. It's just old technology, yeah. So if you want, you can found in some literature about transistors, what are the equations and all that, how do they specifically work. But it's I'm not gonna do that much education in my video. I'm just gonna show you. I want to show practical applications, so it's not to me to uh, do the educational part. It's for you. So thank you for watching and see you in my next video.